Feeling lost in the payroll process after setting up your Gusto account? Let's break down the payment timelines so you can ditch the stress and master your payroll schedule. First, bank verification is key. Gusto needs to confirm your bank account, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days. You'll know it's done when you receive a confirmation notification. Now, for your initial payroll run, processing takes longer. When running your first payroll, plan for about 4 business days between submitting payroll and your employees receiving their funds. Good news, subsequent payrolls are faster. After your first run, payments usually process within 2 business days. Submit payroll by the cutoff time, typically 5 p.m. Pacific time, to ensure timely processing. Keep weekends and bank holidays in mind, as these can delay processing. Also, be aware that occasional bank processing issues could add an extra day, so it's always best to plan ahead and submit payroll early. By understanding these timelines, you can anticipate payment processing times, avoid potential delays, and keep your employees happy. Now go forth and conquer your payroll.